Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating and lesser-known facts about your favorite beverages. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of Lebanese Orange Blossom Lemonade. If you've never tried it, you're in for a treat. And if you're already a fan, stick around because we've got some surprising insights about this delightful drink. But before we start, do us a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our unique beverage journeys. Now, let's get started. What is Lebanese Orange Blossom Lemonade? So, what exactly is Lebanese Orange Blossom Lemonade? It's a vibrant, citrusy concoction made from fresh lemons, oranges, and a unique twist: orange blossom water. This traditional Lebanese drink combines the tartness of lemons with the sweet aroma of orange blossoms, creating a refreshing and delightful summer beverage. The preparation is simple. Lemons and oranges are freshly squeezed, mixed with water, sugar, and a touch of orange blossom water. The result is a drink that's both sweet and zesty, with a hint of floral fragrance that sets it apart from your typical lemonade. Historical roots. Now, let's delve into the historical roots of Lebanese Orange Blossom Lemonade. This iconic drink hails from Lebanon, where citrus fruits have been cultivated for centuries. The use of orange blossom water in culinary and beverage traditions can be traced back to the time of the Phoenicians, an ancient civilization in the region. This unique flavor profile has been passed down through generations, and today, it's cherished not only in Lebanon but also around the world. Health benefits. Beyond its delightful taste and history, this drink offers some surprising health benefits. Both lemons and oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system and healthy skin. Plus, they're packed with antioxidants that help fight free radicals in the body. Orange blossom water, the secret ingredient, is known for its calming and soothing properties. It can aid digestion, reduce anxiety, and even promote better sleep. So, not only is this lemonade delicious, but it's also good for your well-being. Serving and enjoying. Now, how do you serve and enjoy this incredible beverage? It's best served chilled over ice with a garnish of fresh mint leaves. The combination of the cold temperature, the citrusy flavors, and the hint of floral aroma from the orange blossom water is simply irresistible. Culinary versatility. Lebanese Orange Blossom Lemonade isn't just a refreshing drink. It also adds a unique touch to a variety of dishes. Chefs and home cooks around the world use it in recipes to create an exciting fusion of flavors. For instance, it can be used as a marinade for grilled chicken, giving it a delightful citrusy and floral twist. The possibilities are endless, from salad dressings to desserts, where it can add that special touch to elevate your culinary creations. The symbol of Lebanese hospitality. In Lebanon, serving orange blossom lemonade is more than just quenching one's thirst. It's a symbol of hospitality and a way to make guests feel welcomed. When you're invited into a Lebanese home, it's not uncommon to be greeted with a glass of this special lemonade. It's a gesture of kindness and an opportunity to connect with the rich traditions of Lebanese culture. Variations. Just like any other beloved beverage, there are countless variations of Lebanese Orange Blossom Lemonade. Some might add a touch of rosewater for an even more fragrant twist, while others use honey instead of sugar for a natural sweetener. Exploring these variations can be a fun and creative experience, allowing you to tailor the drink to your own taste preferences. And there you have it, the unknown facts about Lebanese Orange Blossom Lemonade, a drink that's not only rich in history but also in flavor and health benefits. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing and unique beverage to quench your thirst, consider trying this Lebanese delight. I promise you won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of Lebanese Orange Blossom Lemonade. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any other interesting beverage recommendations or facts to share, please do so in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay refreshed and keep exploring the world of beverages. Cheers!